So accessing character in a string, we already studied how to access the character in a string. So here some theory. So here each individual character in a string can be accessed using technique is called indexing. So the index specifies the character to be accessed in the string and it is written in the square bracket. So the index of the first character from the left. So from the left in the string is 0. So means the index of 0 represent the first letter or character in that string. And the last character is n minus 1, means n is the length of that string, so n minus 1 means the last character of that string. Why it is n minus 1 means the index is started with a 0. So if we give the index value out of the range, then we get that index error. So here already we see that str1 of 15, so their maximum index is 11 only. So if we are using out of range means here if the fourth point, if you give the index value out of this range means after the length is maximum 11. So if you are using a 12, 13, 40 or any other digit, we are getting an error, index is out of range. So the index must be an integer, positive, 0 or negative value. So you already studied the negative and the positive. Here this table is represent the complete indexing hello world. So hello world total number of characters is 0 to 11. 0 to 11 means maximum length is 12, then the rightmost character is n minus, so here length is 12, so then the rightmost character n minus 1. N minus 1 means 12 minus 1 is equal to 11. So this is the way for representing a character. So here look at that, this is the negative indexing. So here look at that, the string of minus 1. So here minus 1 means it take the rightmost character. So here look at that, from this picture you can see that negative index start in the rightmost, minus 1 is the rightmost value. So the here from here one important point is left side index is started with 0 and the right side is index started with a minus 1. So if we are using the minus value, the rightmost index started with a minus 1 only, the leftmost index is started with a 0. So why you are just study this table for how to represent a string and how to access the character inside the string. So the Python allows an index value be negative also. So we are already studied negative index are used to when we want to access the character of the string from the right to left. So from left to right we are using positive index, from we are getting the right to left then we are using the negative index value. So this is the way to access the string, access the character inside the string. So here another important function is length, len function. It is a built-in function in Python. So it returns the actual length of the string. So here look at that, str1 is equal to hello world. So here length is 12. So here HELLOW, then white space are also counted, then WORLD, then last one symbol. So here length is equal to 12. Then how to get this length means we are using len in bracket, we can specify that variable. Here we are using str1 is our string variable. So we can just call that function len length function with the bracket, we can represent that string variable str1, so it automatically return the length of that string 12. So if you just then another way to length of string is assigned to n. So if you want to take that length to assign to a variable n, so here we are using n is equal to len of string 1, then the value of n become 12. So this is the way to access how to find the length of a string. Then str of n minus 1, we already studied that that last index is means length minus 1. So here length is n, so that is 12. So then string of n minus 1 means string of 12 minus 1, which is equal to string of 11. String of 11 means that symbol, so it is outputted here. So string of minus n means, so here minus value represent the leftmost, means starting from the right then it is moved to the left. So here str1 of minus n, so here n value is 12, str1 of minus 12 is, it represent minus 12. Look at that, here from the table minus 12 is h, so the output to become h. So this is the use of length function. Length function returns the length of character inside the string, so that while calculating the total number of character, it